Have you been thinking about buying a house in Austin, Texas, or relocating to the Austin area, maybe one of the suburbs? And you keep hearing about Dripping Springs, Texas, but you keep seeing online that Dripping Springs does not have housing options under $500,000. Chris Peshek, broker associate at Peshek Properties here, and I live in Dripping Springs, Texas. And I'm telling you, there are options under $500,000. Now, you're not going to find houses here at $300,000, but I'm going to show you one today that's priced at $500,000. And there's 20 options under $500,000 here, and a lot of them are brand new. This one's built in 2021. Let's go take a look at what $500,000 will buy you in Dripping Springs, Texas, USA. Starting out right here on the front porch, guys. And now this lot is not huge. All right, but it's a good sized front yard. It's got a decent sized backyard. But the thing about this house is going to be the living area inside. So maybe you're not a huge outdoor person. There's a lot of cool stuff in this house, and especially that second floor where I'm going to take you at the end of the video. Man, you talk about something for everybody here. As we walk in, I'm just going to start off with $500,000 for almost 2,900 square feet. This is a big house. It's $173 a foot. That's hard to find anywhere in Austin. As we come in the front door, we're going to look at a few things here. All right, down on the bottom, we have LVP. This is a luxury vinyl plank. It's a wood look vinyl plank. It's really popular and very, very durable. Hard to screw up. Here, right as you come in, is the first office. Yep, you heard it right. The first office. If you're a family that has multiple people working from home, this is the kind of option that you're going to want to see. Glass doors, great windows, tons of natural light in here. And this is a good size office. You could put a giant desk in here and a sitting area. If you're one of those people that likes to have a couch in their office, this office is way big enough for that. All right, as we continue down the front hall, this is a 4-bedroom. So again, if you've got a bigger family, this is 4-bedroom plus 2 offices. All right, as we come down this first right, there's your utility room back over here. Garage is here to your left. All right, utility room in here is huge. You have a folding area, a lot of cabinets. This thing was done right. Now, you don't have room for a refrigerator in here, but you could still put one or a freezer in the garage. But that's a big utility room, a lot of room to actually do your folding in there. Right here is the half bath. Just like most half baths you would expect down on the first floor. Got a little pedestal sink there. But a lot of storage in here too. Coat closet here. And as we come into the main living area, you can see this is a 2-story, by the way. We'll go up there. And again, that's that kind of extra special space that I'm going to show you up top. As you come in, got a little home office area here. This house was built in 2001, and this is a little bit of a remnant of an older style, but this gives you a place. And let's say you've got younger kids and you need to keep on top of them while they're doing their homework. Okay, they can do their homework here while you're cooking. And that is one of the things about this house. This kitchen is awesome. Look at the size of that island. Nice granite, really nice backsplash. I'm a fan of this backsplash. Don't know why. I like herringbone in general. This is not really a herringbone, but I'm a fan of it. It's not too busy, but it adds a little bit of elegance. One of the things in this neighborhood you're going to notice, there's gas cooking, gas water heating. So your utility costs are going to be a little bit cheaper than cooking and heating the home with electricity. This one's got a double oven. And this is pretty indicative of what you can expect for $500,000 here. Now, the downstairs living area is not huge, but like I said, upstairs has got a little bit of something for you if you need a bigger living area. You've got room for a dining room table here, actually a lot of room for a dining room table. You could put an 8-person table there. And then this is a smaller area. I say smaller, you could put a giant sectional sofa right here along this wall. So you've got room to sit. It's probably 7 or 8 people on a big sectional sofa with a TV there. Again, lots of great natural light. And we'll pop out here for a little bit. Again, not a giant yard on this one. And of course, the neighbors are gone, so their dog's barking at me. That makes it great, right? But really cool landscape. You've got that limestone rock holding back that wall. And maybe you just don't need a big backyard. You don't like to mow much. Well, there you go. This neighborhood has got a lot of trails, couple of parks for the kiddos. It's close to Founders Park, where the City of Dripping Springs swimming pool is. They just started building the skate park at Founders Park, which is just around the corner. So there's a lot of stuff in general for kids to do here. So there's not really a need for a giant backyard necessarily, just because there's so many other things in the area. All right, so we're gonna pop into the master bedroom here. The carpet in the house is a Berber carpet, so it's an upgraded carpet, really nice. Big master, okay? Now that is a queen size bed, but if you look at the amount of space available on the sides there, king size bed plus a sitting area, big bay window there, really, really big room. And again, 2,900 square feet, you would expect some big bedrooms and you get them, right? Plenty of room for additional furniture there if you're somebody that wants to have a TV or a big dresser or something like that. Bathroom is nice, got a good 2x1 format tile, water closet here to the left, double vanities there, plenty of room in here, big storage closet for, my gosh, all of your linens and medicines and everything. Man, that storage closet's huge. Like I said, a lot of great storage in here. And then a really big master closet. You've got to have, what is that? 12, 24, probably 35 linear feet of rods in here. Really, really big closet. You've got an area there for shoes as well. It's not a massive closet, but this is a big closet. All right, now as we're going back out, you got the shower over here. There's not a tub in here, but it is a large shower. Really, really nice. Couple of shampoo cubbies over there as well. All right, let's continue on. We're going to head upstairs now. And again, this is the part of the house that just sells it and would make, oh gosh, this house is such a great house for, somebody with that needs 4 bedrooms, needs a couple of offices. Really, really perfect up here for that. So again, that Berber carpet comes up the stairs. I love all the windows too. You got window there, you've got a window up there. Again, lots of natural light. Now those windows face east, and that's pretty cool because you get all that morning light in through the stairwell. And right here at the top of the stairs, there is a massive game area. This area is huge. You could even put a desk over there so you could have additional desk space up here, couches, TVs, whatever you want. This area is huge. That's why I was saying downstairs, the downstairs living is a little bit small, but this more than makes up for it. You need to get rid of the kids during the day, or you've got friends over, something like that. Send the kids up here, out of sight, out of mind. You're still going to hear them because kids are loud, right? But out of sight, out of mind. And then you've got 3 more bedrooms, bedroom, and then one over here. And again, I'm going to point out the closets. That could be a game closet or a linen closet there. Another storage closet just as big as that one there. Again, games, linens, whatever you need up here. Plenty of storage. First bedroom here. This is a huge bedroom. Easily put a king size bed in here and a desk. Double window. Really big closet for this room. This would, in my mind, this would be a great closet for that teenage daughter who thinks she needs more clothes and a lot of room. This is a big bedroom. This can also be a guest bedroom as big as it is. If you've got people that are going to stay a little bit longer. Really nice size bedroom there. Over here to the second upstairs bedroom. Again, no problem at all putting a king size bed in here. Now, this closet is a little bit smaller, but not much. Not quite as much rod space because of those closets that are on the outside in that game room here, but that is another big closet. Again, 2,900 square feet, you would expect big bedrooms, a lot of storage, and that's exactly what you're getting in here. Again, under $500,000 in Dripping Springs, Texas. I know $500,000 doesn't seem like a great deal, but go try to find a 4-bedroom house in one of the other suburbs and see what you're going to pay. So it's not It's really not a bad price, and especially at $173 a square foot. Here's that third bedroom. This one is a little bit smaller. This is probably a queen size bed that you're going to max out in here. Little attic storage here, and again, a little smaller closet in this one. This is the smallest bedroom, right across from the bathroom. Single vanity in here. I would love to see a dual vanity. And again, this being built in 2001, I figured they would have had a dual vanity in here, a little bit different. But that is, if you needed a dual vanity, you could add another sink in here. Tile shower, pretty standard. But again, that extra bathroom upstairs for this area, not a problem at all. Now, the last part of this, again, big house, right? Another office space upstairs. So you've got office downstairs, office upstairs. Both of them have doors that you can close off. They're both large. You can put a huge desk in here. Again, if you need a sofa, if you need a couch reading area, whatever. This is big enough, and the downstairs one is too. These are big enough for craft rooms as well. You could put a huge crafting table in here, sewing table, whatever your hobbies are. These things are way big enough for that. You could also make this a media room. It's got all the outlets and stuff for connecting surround sound, TVs up on the wall, stuff like that. So could also be a game room for gaming. It could be a movie room. You'd have to put, a little bit of better blinds on there to block out the sun. But so many options up here in this second space, second office space. And then we'll pop right back out into that big game area. And one of the other things I'm going to remind you in Dripping Springs, affordability is one thing. 500,000, and again, there's 20 houses between like 375 and 500 here. But the other thing that's big on affordability in Dripping Springs is the HOA and the tax rate. So the HOA in this community is only $45 a month, and the tax rate is under 1.9. This is in the city of Dripping Springs, city limits. So you're under a 1.9% tax rate. So a lot of times out here, the affordability is just a matter of 2.5% taxes or something like that in some of these large master plan communities. But here, your taxes are going to end up being, probably $8,000, $9,000 a year, as opposed to some of the ones that I'm seeing at $15,000 to $20,000 a year. So the affordability here, you've got to look at it all encompassing. And a house like this, and again, there's opportunities out here for these, but a house like this is going to give you an overall affordability factor well beyond what a lot of the stuff you're seeing in Dripping Springs is. So guys, if you're thinking about moving to Dripping Springs, give me a call. Make sure you're liking and subscribing these videos, and hope to talk to you soon if your plans to move out here.